What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now I know a lot of y'all, probably been looking for this shoe for a while. Some of y'all been wanting it, some of y'all probably didn't really care for it. Well, let me take that back. I know a lot of people care for this shoe, because I know me personally, even though I'm not the, what you would call, if you know me personally, you definitely know I'm not a hooper. So I definitely wouldn't even call myself a hooper. But if you're a fan of the game of basketball like myself, if you love basketball, love everything about it, love certain players, then you know that Kobe is, definitely one of the greats. Rest in peace to Kobe, but like I said, he's definitely one of the greats. So this shoe that people have been wanting for like so long, man, finally we got a retail release for it. I know it was teased a few years ago. I think Anthony Davis had a pair on one game, and we finally got a pair, a retail pair for people to be able to cop in 2023. So I know it wasn't the easiest release. A lot of people had a hard time getting their W's. I seen a lot of L's, on sneakers. But it's crazy that I say that because when I got on the sneakers app myself, I saw the shoe, I saw it drop in the morning. I was laying in bed, I saw it drop in the morning, and I was like, do I really want to cop these? So I put my phone down for a split second, picked it up again, maybe like a minute or two later, and then my size is still available. So I said, let me go ahead and I saw all the sizes getting grayed out, like slowly but surely, all the sizes, like row by row, was getting grayed out. And I was like, let me go ahead and cop my size 11 before, it's too late. So I was able to cop my size 11, for the retail dub, not a resale dub. So that's a plus, I know resale right now is hovering around like the $450, $500 mark. So for those of you who do want these shoes, I know resale isn't the best, but enough about all that, man. Let's get into these shoes, man. Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. It's the reverse Grinch Kobe's, man. Y'all see that box, man. Y'all see that logo, that Black Mamba logo. And the size tag does read Kobe 6 Protro. The color is bright crimson red black. It is a size 11, so that is my personal size. Y'all get that to focus real quick. Yeah, I see that right there. All right, man, let's get into these shoes, man. So I've jumped the box, don't get no special packaging, no special nothing. Y'all, if you had Kobe's before, you know what Kobe boxes look like. But, the shoe itself though, these reverse Grinches, like I said, I'm not a hooper, so I can't really tell you how like the performance is on court. But for those of you who do hoop, y'all probably know how Kobe's feel already on feet. I know I hear a lot of good things about them, but just the look of these shoes, the details in it, the craftsmanship, just the sneaker in general, this is a very, very, very beautiful shoe. That already, this is a great Christmas cop as well. It came out right before Christmas, so if y'all, wanted this for Christmas, hopefully y'all did get y'all, y'all Christmas pairs, y'all did secure y'all Christmas sneakers. But if y'all didn't, like I said, resale is kind of up there right now. I don't know if it's gonna drop. I don't see it dropping, but if y'all do want these, you got the bread for them, why not? It's a beautiful shoe, detail wise, the colorway, just everything about the craftsmanship of this shoe itself is just a beautiful sneaker, Like, of course you got the regular Grinches that came out, way back when, but then we finally got the reverse Grinch, was like obviously what it is, a reverse colorway of, instead of it being all green with the red, it's all red with the green. So my opinion, that's dope. I rock with it. I like the details. The shoe feels very light, I don't feel like no bulky, heavy shoe. So like I said, for those of y'all who hoopers out there, y'all got you a nice little light, real light on your feet type of shoe for y'all, bounceability, y'all running and all that stuff, man. Y'all, whoever, if y'all, like I said, y'all hoopers out there who want these shoes, if y'all didn't get them for retail, I hate to say the resale prices, but they still available, They're still widely available for resale, but hopefully, y'all can find somebody who ain't gonna try to, beat you over the head with the price, especially if you, a fan of the game, a fan of Kobe, a fan of just, the shoe in general. Because this is definitely one of them shoes that, in my opinion, of course, all Kobe 6s look alike, but the colorway itself is just definitely top tier on these. Like, I'm a huge fan of these. I'm a huge fan of the details and like the little small, details, like his signature right there. And then you got the Nike Zoom on the midsole right there, so y'all can see that. So it's like a lot of, little small, little details, little touches on the little Mamba logo on the bottom of the shoe and the outsole as well. So like I said, plenty of dope details, plenty of colorways. You got the logo on the tongue once again too. So the logo is gonna be there, the colorway is gonna be there, the wearability is definitely there, I can tell. Then just even the detail on the scales themselves, like this shoe looks really, really, really detailed. They put a lot of effort and time into these scales. Nothing really feels cheap about it. Nothing feels like, like the shoe gonna be falling apart, nothing like that. Like it feels like, like a very light, well put together shoe. Another dope thing about the shoe that I'm a big fan of as well is the insoles on these. The insoles in this shoe, in my opinion, like, of course the Grinches had the same insole if I'm not mistaken, but the reverse Grinches, they got them of course, but I like them. I really rock with them a lot. So on the left insole, you got, you know, it says, let me get y'all a better look at that. It says, I want a shoe that, you know what I'm saying, a little message on the insole itself. And then the other insole says, molds to my foot. So you got these two insoles. I want a shoe that molds to my foot. So it's, you know what I'm saying, like, you know, little small, subtle detail like that. And the insoles feel real, you know what I'm saying, like they durable, they gonna last. That's what I'm saying. When you hooping out there, y'all hoopers, y'all in that court, you don't want no flimsy little insoles, y'all be running, all of a sudden the insole starting to fall apart, now your feet hurt, now you might miss around and sprain your ankle or tear something, but you got these durable insoles, and of course, you know, like I said, it's gonna mold to your foot. So, you know, like once again, like this is definitely the you know, the tech that goes into these sneakers, man, definitely top tier, definitely one of them ones for y'all hoopers out there who really want to get a good shoe, really want to get a good hooping shoe. Like I said, I'm not what I would consider myself a hooper. No, I would never consider myself that, but I know people who are, and I know people who hoop in Kobe's, and they, you know, I hear good things about them. So hopefully if y'all did want these, y'all was able to cop for retail, not resale, y'all was able to get them, you know what I'm saying, get y'all size, secure your own size, and if not, maybe you got a bigger size, hopefully you was able to trade, or if you got a smaller size, hopefully you able to trade for a bigger size, whatever size you may need, you was able to trade for that size and get your own personal little pair, you know what I'm saying, get y'all little Christmas Kobe's, the reverse Grinches that people have been wanting for so many years that we finally got them, you know what I'm saying, it's been rumored, it's been teased, it's been leaked, all that good stuff, but they finally here, finally dropped. I think it was like 2 drops this month. They had a shock drop, and they had the actual, like, you know, everybody cop, you know what I'm saying, on the sneakers app. Now they said it's supposed to be more widely available. Like I said, I seen a lot of L's. I was able to cop my pair, but I don't know how many people really took L's, but I did see a lot of L's. I don't know the exact stock number of how many of these dropped, but I know if it was that many L's, it couldn't have been enough for everybody who wanted a pair to get a pair. But hopefully, once again, if you did want these, you was able to cop. If not, you know what I'm saying, hopefully, you know, if you got to pay resale, it don't set you back too much to get these. But, you know, at the end of the day, man, the sneaker game is a sneaker game. It's at a point now where it's kind of rough for everybody copying everything to resell, or they copying to flip or trade something. Everybody, people not really just getting the shoes they want because they want them. They get them to, they see a quick profit or a quick flip. But hopefully, you know, if you're one of them ones that really try to get these for yourself, for your personal collection, for your hooping, whatever it is may be, you was able to get them with no issues. But with all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel. Y'all getting my views up, my subscribers up, my likes up, all that good stuff, man. I got plenty more videos coming. I know I took a little, you know, I slowed down a little bit, but I had, you know, got back in school, so I've been doing the little school thing, so I've been having like a lot of things going on, so, you know what I'm saying, bear with me, man. I got plenty more stuff coming, plenty more videos coming soon. Y'all gonna see, man. I get more unboxing videos. Gotta give y'all my top 10 of 2023, because I did get some good heat this year. Some of them, you know, of course people gonna say it's hype, but you know what I'm saying, every shoe that I did say is my top 10, I put on my feet. So with that being said, man, I get that video coming soon for my top 10 of 2023. You know what I'm saying? More unboxing videos coming, even though the year's over, we still get 2024. There's plenty of heat coming in 2024. You know what I'm saying? We got the Black Cat 3s coming back, the Military Blues coming back. So got a lot of heat coming, you know what I'm saying? Columbia 11s even coming back. So man, we got plenty of J's coming. You know what I'm saying? Maybe even some, I might even switch it up, get some New Balance on the channel. Maybe, you know, something different, you know, switch it up a little bit, get some pairs that, you know, y'all probably really don't see that much on the channel, but I'm gonna see what I can do with that, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff. But with all that being said, once again, make sure if y'all new to the channel, y'all smashing the subscribe button, man, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, stay away, I get more videos coming. And when y'all watching videos, man, make sure y'all smashing that like button, y'all sharing it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all telling a friend and tell a friend, and make sure that friend tell another friend. With all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.